All right, y'all, we made it outside and we're getting ready to shoot some film. Changed my jacket, layered up and put on a black jacket instead of my North Face. It was getting a little too wet the first time I came out here. But yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna be shooting on my Pentax 645N today, Kodak Gold. We're gonna give this snow a little warm tint, add some warmth to the cold. So yeah, let's load up that film. So we got the film loaded up, Kodak Gold 200. I'm getting ready to look through, see what I want to have my settings at. ISO, of course, is going to be at a 200. And I'm going to keep that f-stop today at an 8. Pretty cool tones and pretty bright out here. So we're going to do shutter speed 60, f-stop 8, ISO 200 for all my shots today. Let's do it.